Hi! Today we're going to be unboxing my November-December Pink Soul box. Comes in a mailer like this. Here's the box. A little dinged up, but hopefully everything's okay. Here's our insert. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Gracious. Hold on. I'm messing up my little filming area. Alright. Pure Source Cell Sheet Mask. Innisfree It's Real Sheet Mask Lime. My thing's a little bit damaged right here. Let's open her up. Natural Charcoal Mask Sheet from the Sam. G9 Skin Chocolate Milk Balm Mask. Nourishing Care Lip Sleeping Pack. That's kind of cool. Jeju Fresh Aloe Soothing Gel. Ooh, I need a toner, thank God. Real Floral Toner Calendula. Awesome. Kissaholic lipstick. It looks like CR01. And then Healing Tea Garden Green Tea Cleansing Tissue. And High Aqua Moisture Soothing Cream. So that's all that was in there. Packed to the gills. Okay, the Sam Healing Tea Cleansing Tissue, Kavlu Nourishing Care Lip Sleeping Pack Mini, the Sam Kissaholic Lipstick, Elizavecca Aqua Hyaluronic Acid Water Drop Cream, Nacific Floral Toner, and you could either get the rose or the calendula. So I got calendula. And the Sam Jeju Soothing Aloe Gel. 2 mask products based on your skin type and area of focus. 2 bonus sheet masks, special gift. Happy holidays from our family to yours. Very nice. I love this box. This box is totally worth the money. This box is $49.99. It comes every other month. It gives you many full-size products because the idea is that you're going to use these over the next 2 months. They have nice brands and I really like it. So this is Pink Soul, November, December. They have 3 different tiers. They have a mask box that's monthly. They have this one which is every other month, and then they have the Pink Soul Plus, which is 35 plus age-wise, so with extra goodies for that crowd. I love this box. I will definitely be getting it again in the future, and I hope to see you guys soon. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.